I am bored of my hair. As you can see, I got a bit of purple hair dye in the front. I've had that in my hair for about over 6 months now, and it's time for a change. So I've had brown hair for over a year now, which has surprised me as well because I didn't think I could last that long having just one hair colour. I want the lighter shades to be underneath the section, kind of peeking through. So we have some nice highlights coming through with the brown. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to tie my dreadlocks out the way, because we're not going to be dyeing these at all. I'm literally just working on these front sections, which is good for me because that's loose hair. Give it a little brush. The dread that got away, put this one back into the ponytail. Okay, so now I'm going to mix the bleach up. So super easy, just going to need a bowl, a brush, and a measuring cup, which normally comes with the bleach. I'm using Blondme Developer 30 volume to go with the Blondme bleach powder. This one is amazing, it's my go-to bleach. So it's been a while since I've done my hair. As you can see from my channel, I used to do it all the time. Doing this, I'm just getting excited again. So I'm just going to use 1 scoop of bleach powder, 2 scoops of developer, mix it up. Oh, making a mess. So I'm just going to put this back in the ponytail, keep it out of the way, and then do the same on the other side. So now it's all mixed up and your hair's parted, I'm just going to apply the bleach, go up to about 1 inch to the roots and just kind of like feather it out. In bleach, I'm just going to wrap it in cling film and repeat on the other side. Right, so I'm just going downstairs and get some foil and then wrap it in some foil. Got some foil. Make sure you've got the hair nicely saturated with the bleach so there's no patchy bits. Okay, so I'll check back with you in 30 minutes and see what it looks like. How long left? I've got 5 minutes left on the timer. Just touching up the bleach, making sure it's nicely saturated, checking on that colour, and I will probably leave it for another 15 minutes, 10 minutes maybe. So as you can see, up here is the lovely shade of blonde. So the time's up. I'm now going to get in the shower, I'm going to go rinse it out, and we'll see what we're left with. But I like how it looks. Even right now, even though it's got different tones in and there's like that strip from where the purple was bleached, like it's gonna look cool. Ooh. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna be adding a toner just to even out that colour. I don't mind if it's golden blonde because I like golden blondes, so yeah, it's fine. But we're just gonna even it out and see what it looks like after I put the toner on. It's kind of like fiery hair. Ooh. So the toner I'm going to be using is a 803, which is a golden blonde. This one's a Wella semi-permanent hair toner. It's already mixed, so I just put it straight on from the bottle, leave it on for about 20 minutes and then rinse it out, and then we'll have finished the I think these are like fire bangs. Fire. So this toner I used before when I had blonde hair, and I really like it. Golden blonde, kind of sun-kissed blonde colour. Oh, it's so nice to have something different. Like, I've had the same hair colour for almost 2 years now. No, over a year. Like, it must be 2 years now. And then when my hair is tied up, you've got this gorgeous blonde streaks. So this toner, it doesn't have any peroxide in, so it doesn't matter if I get it on that brown hair, but it's nice. Like, ooh, look at that. It's definitely going to be a nice shade of like a caramel blonde, hopefully. So here we go. Golden blonde, here I come. So that's fine. I'm going to even out that colour. Okay, so I'm going to leave the toner on for 20 minutes, maybe half an hour, and then I'm going to just rinse it out. This toner is a conditioning toner, so I'm just literally just rinse it out with water, and we'll see what it looks like. Woo! Ooh, baby. I love it. It looks gorgeous. It's like a caramel blonde, so putting that golden blonde toner definitely evened out that colour a lot more, and I love it how where that purple strip used to be, it's like a lighter shade of blonde, and then it goes into that caramel blonde colour underneath. Ooh. So pretty. Some nice highlights. And you can always change over the side of the parting just to give it another look. So it's like the best of both worlds now, like highlights. There you go guys, that was me bleaching my hair for the first time in ages. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye guys.